Good evening. This is the Elliott wave update for the S&P 500 for Wednesday, July 6th, 2022. The S&P continues to add and progress along that parallel channel where I have two preferred views. And one of them is off of the daily chart, which I'm going to go into in just a moment. And the second one is off of the hourly chart. Now, the resolution to either one, so the resolution to both, is a quick turn down with a pickup in intensity. So let's start here on the daily chart. No difference to the larger count that's already been in place. I continue to look at it as being an intermediate degree ABC down, of which we're in that C wave, and within it likely have only finished minor wave 1. So we're looking at a minor wave 2 correction, and it is that correction in and of itself that we're now honing in on to determine where, if this minor wave 2 completed here at this high at 3950, or does it have intent to go up closer to 4,000 to finish in a minor 2 counter trend corrective phase. So let's take a look at what, if indeed this is going to be minute A, and we have minute B down here, and we're in a minute C wave. We would be looking at putting on Fibonacci's from that low to that high to this low. So basically, now I'm going to drop down quickly to the hourly charts so we actually can see them and where they are. If we're in the C wave up, then let me just put a little bit of, no. I'm just going to put a little bit of, been a long day. All right, so we'll put it there, and this is okay here. ABC, and if it's going to go up, then what we're looking at for the C wave is that it would be equal to the A wave at 4,052. We have resistance all the way up though. 38.95, 39.32, 39.60, 39.85, and then 100%. And that is where wave C would be equal to wave A. It does present its challenges in this would have to be what? It's a very difficult pattern, if anything. It's ugly, it's big, and it can be difficult to count to finish a C wave going up, because the C wave would have to be 5. So all I can really come up with is that it is a triangle, and that this is A, B, C for wave 1, A, B, C for wave 2, A, B, C for wave 3, A, B, C for wave 4, and it just forms a triangle. And it's got the channels. So, and it begins to diagonal. So I think we could spike from here. I think we could spike up in a C wave, get above 39 and get up into here. All we need to do is get above 39.50 to complete it. And then we could call it a minor wave 2. Now, staying on this level, what it also, in my view, can be is this point completed the minor wave 2. This is minute wave 1 of minor wave 3. This is minute wave 2, and it's still in progress. So if we were to have A, B, C, B, then we're going to be looking for a C wave. Let's use that same Fibonacci, and we're going to go A, B, And now we have, for the perspective, C wave. And I'm going to open this up so we can take a look. So we're measuring for a C wave up to finish a minute wave 2. So we're 1 degree down off of that minor. But we're going to get the same result should this be the case. So if this is wave A, and this is B, strange as it is, the C wave has potential and is already gone 1.618% of wave A. But you see at the same time, it is a triangle. So it just, everything kind of fits for this just to kind of bebop and kill itself real quick. And it can do that. And the C wave, even if it's 1, 2, and this is 3, and we're in the third, same thing, we need to do a little bit more. Or if this is 1, 2, and 3, and this is a 4, and this is the 5, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, we get one more. So we have 38.75, it's already been there. We have 38.82, we have 39.05, and still within a wave 2. Don't forget, second waves can retrace almost all of the first wave. Same result, turn and drop. So it depends on which chart you really trade cleaner off of. The daily, to get confirmation, we're going to have to wait days to get the confirmation that this is the case, because it's still in play. The hourly will get our answer much quicker because of how far it has progressed. So it may take until Friday. Tomorrow's Thursday, then we have expiration yet again. So what I would expect, if indeed it's this count where this is minor 2, minute 1, we're looking for minute 2, it would rally up into here. It cannot exceed 39.50, cannot. In fact, this is already pressing its upper limits, when all it needed to do is just get up to that. And it did, got up to 75. So either that could be the finish. And as it came off, it was clearly a rejection of the level. Then it was trying to sit it back up here. Now we're heading back down again off of that level. So this actually could be, and it would just start to kick in. Once Asia opens, once Europe opens, it could start to kick in. And if it breaks down and gets back below 37.44, well, then we are more than likely heading more quickly. So I would look for to give me additional confirmation on the 30-minute, looking for it to break below that 20. Then you got the 30-minute 50. Then you got the 200s, the EMA and the SMA. Then we got 37.44. Then et cetera, we're going all the way down. So a lot of damage, because the result would be dropping in a minor third wave. And I'm going to go over to this daily to kind of cap it. This would be minor 1 and minor 3, minor 2 finish there. So that's where the minor third will start. And it will go and it will clear this out very quickly and get itself down and break below 36.39. And then start heading to these areas to finish minor 3. Okay, I'm going to leave it right there. And our next update will be on Thursday, July the 7th.